Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at a quadratic pattern question. The sequence of the first differences of a quadratic pattern is 1, 3, 5, etc. Question 2.1.1. If term 99 of this quadratic pattern is 9632, calculate the value of term 98. So for our Tn of our first differences, obviously we would have, our 1, 3, 5. So here we would have 2, here we would have 2. So this is our first differences. So our Tn formula is equal to our first difference times n, an, minus our first value, before 1. So take our first value and minus our difference, and we get -1. So we want our 98th difference. So for our 98th difference, we would have 2 times 98 minus 1, and we get 195. We can then say that our term 98 will be equal to term 99, which is 9632, minus our difference, which is 195, and we get 9437. Question 2.2.2. If it is further given that the third term of the quadratic pattern is 32, determine the general term Tn for the quadratic pattern. So if we know our third term is 32, so 1, 2, and this is 32, and we know that this difference is 3, and this difference is 1, and then obviously here we have 5, we can work backwards, and we can say 32 minus 3, which is 29, and then minus 1, which is 28, and if you want, you can go up and you get 37 here. We then obviously know our second difference is 2, so we can use our 2a is equal to 2, so a is equal to 1. 3a plus b is equal to 1, and we have a being 1, so our b value becomes -2, and we have a plus b plus c equals to 28. We have 1 plus -2 plus c, 28. So our c value becomes 29. We then can say our Tn formula is an squared, which is 1n squared, plus bn squared, so minus 2n, bn, and then plus c, which is plus 29. And that becomes our general formula. And that's all for this video. Thank you.